Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Genius Chavi. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a short story. So let's start. So first you need to open your Scratch window and rename your project. A short story. Now you need to go in backdrop and choose a backdrop. I will choose this one, which house. Okay, and then I will just delete this character and take wizard. Okay, fine. Now you need to go in events block and take one flag click. Then go in looks block and take say welcome to magical school. Fine. Now you need to go in choose a sprite gallery and take elf. Yes, but now there is a problem that this doesn't face towards the wizard. Elf doesn't face towards the wizard. So you can go in costumes and then first go in elf and then go in costume and take flip horizontal. Now it's fine. Now you need to go in events block and take one flag click, then go in control block and then take wait 2 seconds because we want they both to have a conversation. Then go in looks block and take say I am going on a quest. Fine. Now you need to go in backdrop gallery and choose this one. Fine. Now you need to go in wizard and then you need to go in events block and take one flag click. Then you need to go in looks block and then switch backdrop to which house and then go in control block and take wait 4 seconds and then go in looks block again and change backdrop to mountain proper. Now you need to just test it. I'm doing in a quest. Then it is changing it proper. Now you need to go in stage and say you can do one more thing. You can just go in stay in wizard only and go in event block and take when backdrop switches to mountain, then it needs to hide. Hide. Fine. Now you need to. Yes. Now let's test it. Okay, 1 second. And we need to do one more code, and that is we don't have to do code, we just have to put show over here. Fine. Welcome to magical school. I'm going on a quest. Then yes. And then the elf finds himself in the mountains. Then we can you can add anything you want. Okay, you can make it a big story. So I'm making it a little more longer. Then it can wait maybe more 2 seconds. Yeah, and then go in control block and take wait 2 seconds and then go in looks block and take say wow, I am on an adventure. Now, you can make it say I am on a quest because he said first that he wanted to go on a quest. Oh my god. Fine. Wow, I'm on a quest. Now it can then go and visit and then go in control and wait 2 seconds over here and then show. And then take C. See, I said you that it is a magical school. Fine. And over here you can put a exclamation mark. See, I said that it is a magical school. Okay, and then over here wait 2 seconds and then say good let's work and say oh yes. Thank you. Bye. Fine. And then over here, when control lock and wait 2 seconds, and then say bye. Fine. Now let's see. Welcome to Magical School. I'm going on a quest. Okay. It needs to wait actually. Yeah. Maybe now it'll be proper. Yeah, it is a short story, okay? So this is the overall short story making. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Little Genius Chub. Bye-bye.